This conference will now be recorded.
Sorry, student, there was some technical problem. So open canva.com, then log into your ID. So when you have much speed internet, then immediately that loads all the contents of the Canva, graphics designing, video contents, most of the things. Uh, Now, if I wanted to create our own design, just directly click the file menu, then create a new design and specify the size, how much required as per the unit of measurement, like 4 by 4, and you click create a new. Then first you set that background. So to get the background content, there is a menu called as element menus. Okay, so click the element menu, the left hand side of the navigator, and say this element. So use this right arrow button and click the background. So make ensure are you able to use the pro content or not. If not available, then you go for normal content. Just you click and drag, then automatically reloading this content for your creating pages. And you can edit the content whatever you are clicking and dragging from left hand side to right hand side. The moment if you click the content whatever you have added, then there will be a edit option button in the top of this area. So I can set the transparency of this image content, the background content, and also can go for some text. So before adding text, wait for a minute. So take some more element of this area. Suppose now I wanted to have a, okay, remove this, the criteria what you have searched earlier, and go for the frames, arrows, circles, whichever you like. Okay, so scroll down, look at this. So suppose now I wanted to have a circle, so click the circle button. So click OK. So scroll down and have the check out the frames and other stuff. Just you click and drag. So this. So again, if you're not like, so just delete this. Again, delete the background, means if you're not liking those. I'm going to take that frame here itself. So just like this. Then go for images. If already uploaded, okay. If not uploaded, then you have to search. Okay, so where you can get the images from the Google Drive, Facebook. If that associated, then immediately you will be getting those images. And add the text. These are the ready-made text you have. For example, join now. But it's not a final one. I will take you how to create the professional way. So I'm making you to understand what are the navigator menus you have in the left hand side. So each one of this area, how to click and drag and add the contents to the frame. So once it is done, if you wanted to have a text box, so you can have those things. So take this main heading and you type NICT computer education, and you bring up and delete this. So scroll down and change color also, increase font size, and there's an alignment. If you don't like that canvas sans font size, means font area, so choose whichever you will be liking. So scroll down, see the list of font which are available, and you can increase and decrease the letter space and line space also. Okay, once if you're satisfied, just you click the down, means share button, and download it. So when you are clicking for download, make ensure the quality wise. Okay, so if you wanted to increase the bar up to the last part of the area, right, most of this area, then you must have a pro account. So okay, so just click and drag. So right now I have a pro account, so that's why I'm getting here. But sometimes you will be not having this. Okay, and go to this download option. So it takes some time and it's downloaded. Now I will look once what and all we have done. So this is the final output of this area. Okay, just it's not a professional way. Professional way is different. Okay, just I have demonstrated how to click and drag the content from the left hand side to right hand side for the working space, then how to edit it and how to add the content, how to change the color, then what are the elements for editing and what are the elements for the menus. Okay, and how to add it and how to delete it. Okay, only for application in awareness, just I've shown you this practical. Okay, but if you wanted to create professionally, you have to pre-plan, and you must have a logo. Means you have to create a logo before itself, and take that, what is the size and what is the color combination, what is the font you will be using, and what type of flyer, what type of poster you are creating. Then what about that other competitors they have done, so for creating the graphics designing, the pro quality of images. Okay, so everything is matters. Okay, so make ensure that uh, your hands-on and experiences for each one of this content area of the Canva applications. Okay, even offline tool also I will teach you in the next class, means in the tomorrow's class, how to make use of offline applications for creating the same graphics content. Okay, so but it takes in detail concept, but here we have some ready made of no content, like including background, logo, okay, text area, so which are readily available. Just clicking and dragging the workspace, and we are creating the poster, we are creating the logo, so on so on. Okay, so we'll try to understand in the next class how to create one business profile. So we'll take one company name, we'll take one logo of this for the company, then what type of brand, means the tagline of the company. So what type of product and services are there, they are going to be providing for the society. So in that way we will try to work out in the real time example, and we will try to create it. Okay, so make ensure what type of logo you are going to be creating. Like already I've listed some 7 to 8 types of logos. So one of the logo you try to create, so like our NICT, how it's having that text and some different types of like university kind of things. So must have a identity of the brand and also the name of the brand, so must have these two combination. So then it is well and good for creating the brand awareness for audience. Okay, so you ask me if you have any doubts before I stop the class today, and also try to work on this Canva applications. Then tomorrow's class we will see how to work for the same thing for graphics designing. So 5 to 10 minutes I will brief for graphics designing, like Corel Draw, then how to make use of this. Then finally we will come to Canva, then we'll understand much more in detail concept of this application. Is there any doubts? Yes, Manavya, we will send you. Okay, so now if you don't have any doubts, I will wind up the class today. So meet you in the next class. Okay, so see you in the next class.